quick view here, part 12, moving 78 in progress. It is Monday, June 12th, 2023. I added some, brushed on some kind of orangey color ink over the face. Next I'll be going over all the parts I did, like shaded in pencil with black India ink. All right, to be continued. Miguel Hernandez, the poet. Gordon Tarot, the war photographer there. All right, to be continued. This child died in the bombing of a school, November, I forget the exact date, might have been November 2nd, 1937. The bombing was not done by the Franco's fascist air forces. It was done by Luftwaffe, German Nazi pilots and aircraft sent from Germany to help Franco and the fascists.